Here we have something that should be in every home or shop. This is the Dewalt 20V max cordless drill driver. Compact 1.5 inch, speed of 1500 RPMs. It's got plenty of torque to do the job. Also has a compact lightweight design that fits into tight areas. High performance motor that delivers 300 unit watts out. 1/2 inch single sleeve ratcheting chuck provides tight bit gripping strength. High speed transmission delivers 2 speeds, 0 to 450 and 1500 RPM, which is max. Designed to operate on standard 120 volt electrical power. Lightweight and a great value. Pick one up today.